Okay, so now let's just say you want to go a little beyond your design and create multiple layers. If you want to create at least a double layer, you can easily do so by using a crossbar hanger, right? They start at 3 inches and they go to 6 inch, 9 inch, and 12 inch. Now, if you are using just fabric, I highly recommend you start with a 3 inch, and you would get longer sizes according to different embellishments you would use, such as chandeliers or anything that requires you to need that depth in your design. So I'm going to now show you how to use how to assemble a double crossbar using the 3 inch hangers.